Hi, my name is Gonzalo Navarro. I have 32 years old. I live with my boyfriend in Xochimilco. Since 3 years old, we have two pets. I work in a company as a financial manager. I have worked since November 2019. Previously, I worked in accounting firms to have experience in the area. I studied accountancy at UNAM. I also studied electromechanics at CONALEP. The last years, I finished my social service at the Facultad de Medicina. I like my profession because it has different areas to work. I like to eat spaghetti, mole, tacos of barbacoa, and pizza. Also, I like to go to the beach. Usually, I travel once a year. Sometimes I watch movies of English to learn vocabulary and pronouns. Rarely I listen to music in English. Um, the last the last year I studied English on my own. I did exercise in the book. Um, the first time I took a course in English was 5 years ago when I started university, but I leave um, because I start working. Thank you.